Hi everyone, so I don't really know what to do in this video, so I decided to induce while I'm talking, and we'll see what happens. But I did plan anything to talk about, so I don't really know what to say. One second. Ugh. The weather has been absolutely crazy in this area. It's like up into the 60s, and then the temperatures fall rapidly overnight, and then it snows. And the drastic changes in temperature hasn't been helping my nose any. Oh my god, okay. That was insane. These are really messy. If I didn't know any better, I'd think I was sick, but my allergies have just been like through the roof. I haven't been sneezing from it though. I've been really close, but nothing, really to talk about. Okay. Hello. Yep, there you go. Just follow my leg. I was talking to the mucus. If anyone wants to know. Nice big thing came out of my nose. It's a good thing I put a new tissue box in my room recently. Actually, it was yesterday. So, I'm currently on spring break this week, but, still pretty busy because I have lots of things planned here and there. Sorry, that was really loud. I apologize, especially if you're wearing headphones. These are wet and messy. Oh. How can my nose produce so much so quickly? Anyway, yeah, I don't really know what to talk about. So, I think that's gonna be it for now. If you liked me doing this, you can go ahead and tell me either through a message or comments, but I can't really respond to your comments because I'm not going to be joining with the Google Plus thing anytime soon. I do not wish to do that. Therefore, I cannot comment because Google and YouTube suck. Yeah, so just go ahead and tell me what you think. And if you want more like this, then I can go ahead and do that sometime. Yeah.